Okay, for this video we're going to be talking about Wynn Resorts. In fact, I'm going to be talking about Wynn Resorts. I always do wonder why everybody says we all the time. Like Doug Polk and Daniel Negreanu, you would think that all of their viewers were also playing with them. But anyways, that's a poker topic, different story. Hopefully there's some poker fans out there and know what I'm talking about. But Wynn Resorts, for this stock, what I will be looking for first, I wanted to get the ticker. I believe it's WYNN, just Wynn. Yes, it is. It's WYNN is the ticker. So Wynn Resorts. This one, if you like scan it out just a little bit more, it's kind of been on a like before COVID. I mean, it had gotten beaten down quite a bit, but anyhow, let's look though more closely to post-COVID. So you've got this tank here. Right when COVID hits, and when COVID hit, Wynn was doing decent. Gets knocked down, of course. Recovers up to here. Pretty strong sell back. Nice bounce. Come up here. Right here is when things get kind of hot and heavy. You get the vaccine going and whatever, and we really explode up. We get some profit taking here, and then we explode past those levels again, and we totally settle down a bit. But if you zoom in just a little bit more, look at this little better from when we get our jump here off of, getting vaccine and stuff like that. And we recover here. What I'm looking for here is I'm not buying going into the week, but I will be probably interested in buying either way it goes. If it works lower off of this, I don't mind that because it's kind of normal for what the chart's been doing lately. And then it comes down into this range, which I think is pretty good support. It got rejected at this level, like here and then here. And then, so when it recovers here pretty strong, that's why you get this stutter right here. Because, it's just like the same type of inflection point that they weren't wanting to get past here or here. So this was normal. And then when you push through it, that means, ultimately investors decided that Wynn was worth more than this level and it wasn't going to reject it again. And that's why instead you push through resistance, which gives you a nice jump. And that's something to really look out for. You can jump on that and catch yourself, a good couple of few percent, sometimes more. And when we stutter here and then we still push higher and push higher, shows pretty good momentum. And when we do come back down here into this same level that we stuttered at and we push higher again, shows really nice momentum. Not surprised there's some profit taking just at the way the levels are, but when this type of stuff happens, I usually look for it to push past that level after some stuttering that it has been doing. So if it opens up going into next week and starts giving you one of these, then I would definitely be interested in buying because I would be looking for it to take a run over several days up to this direction. And if it opens tomorrow and goes down, I'll also be looking to buy because I think it's coming back into really good strong support here at like the 103XX. So like the mid 103s. I don't even think it gets down that low though. But if it gets down like below 104, either way, as it's coming down here, I will be looking at the intraday charts, like the 1 minute chart, and looking to see when a trend change happens from downtrend to uptrend, because I will be expecting one coming at any time between here, and then that will be the point of entry that I like. And then I like riding this kind of well past this level up to, let's see, as you zoom out, you can see that there is still a good amount of room for growth. And I think that somewhere like this level-ish makes some sense over enough time, the 124, but even just before it'll stutter out before then, of course, probably, but before like a real strong pullback, I could see it going up to this kind of level. Again, you'll just have to watch for how the momentum looks as you go up there, but I would look for it to either work lower and then go higher, or immediately go higher, but at one point or another change this trend, and I would look for it to push and stutter here and then push higher. So that's what I've got for Wynn. I will be making another video, my next video, on a different stock. I am doing these videos, like I said in my first one, all separately, just because I think it'll be a little bit better and easier to make each video. Like I said in my first video, I'm still kind of a kind of a nerd with a noob with the camera and whatever. So for now, I'm just going to show the computer screen and do these because I still want to bring you this information in my forecast going into the week. I think it is helpful, although I'm not, I'm not going to, you guys are going to trade at your own risk. I'm not telling you to buy anything, or nothing is a guarantee, but I do think that the information is helpful, so I want to bring it forth to you guys, even though I'm not quite ready for, the camera setup. But if you guys do enjoy the video and enjoy the information that I'm providing, it'd be nice if you gave me a like and even a subscription. I will be continuing to make videos for the foreseeable future, probably forever or whatever, like as long as I'm doing this. I do want to continue to make videos and share my opinions on where I think stocks are going, and also cryptos and everything else as far as investing goes. So give me a like, give me a subscription, let me know that you're enjoying it, and I'll be off to the next video. Peace.